What's up, credit repair businesses and business funding experts, lenders, and those guys in the finance world that wants to run Facebook ads, Facebook and Instagram ads. Guys, I'm gonna show you the exact setup to set up your account so you maximize success and making sure you really just don't get flagged. The only thing is that I forgot to add on here is that when you're actually creating an ad, which will be part 2 in this video, make sure that you mark it off as special credit financing category. But guys, the entire setup is really how to set up your entire business manager, guys, and you need to watch this video because it's vital information that if you don't, it might cause problems in the future, and we're here to just really make money. Guys, if you have any questions on this, by the way, don't hesitate to give me a shout out. My job is to make you more money, because when you do make more money, the more I'm gonna end up getting paid. God bless, guys, and enjoy the video. So just real quick, we'll be verifying the domain on Facebook. The easiest way, click on this, update DNS record, what I always do. Then click on this. And then can you go to GoDaddy or Namecheap?
Yeah, I'm
Wherever
going to
you
go
have
over
your
there
domain.
now. Where I got it, Namecheap.
Sweet.
Okay, now
Gotta,
it's coming back to me because that's exactly what you said, dude. But that was days ago, and
no worries, brother. That's what I'm here for. We're just gonna add a TXT record onto the DNS.
got you. Been hacked a million times. What's up here?
I'm so glad, bro, you're able to log in really quick. Like the longest, like the reason why I'm on Zoom for so long is because people are always just logging into shit. You know, it's always takes so long. People have set stuff. But let's go over to wherever DNS is happening. I think it's advanced DNS on Namecheap. Can we scroll up to advanced?
Okay.
Keep that in mind. Whoever's watching this, download LastPass if you don't have any, if you having issues with passwords. LastPass is like an amazing software. Just keeps all your passwords and just pre-populates everything. Just saves me so much time.
Man, this thing's taking a long time to open.
Sometimes that happens. I feel like with Zoom. You know, I feel like Zoom takes a lot of like bandwidth.
Yeah, and I'm having a big problem where we at. We close to Andrews Air Force Base, so they must have a VIP over there today. Like the president was moving around a lot this week.
So we're gonna add a quick record onto here. I think it's like you press action here to add one, or you oh no, add new record, my bad. We're just going to add a TXT record. Scroll down a little bit. There we go. Press that.
Right.
This one has to be the at symbol. And just Control V or Command V, the one we have. And press save. All right, cool. I go back to the business manager and press verify. Let's see if it works instantly.
It didn't.
Can you see? All right, so go back to Namecheap. Probably just have to refresh it. Might just take it a little bit to propagate. Refresh it. Try pressing verify again.
You know what? Maybe I need to take one of these out or two of these because that
I
may
don't
be
think
affecting it.
that's. I don't think that would be an issue necessarily. But I mean, if you want, yes, this is the one I think you added. This was the older one from probably another ad account. If you want, you can delete that one. But go check verify really quick. Sometimes it just takes like a moment or two.
Yep.
Yeah,
You're
there we go.
right.
Sweet. Awesome. All right, now the connected assets here. I think you gotta push assign assets. Add it to your page that we're using. So a couple more just basic setup stuff. Press add. So I'm gonna be able to use it as well. Oh, no, that's fine actually. Click on domain access. Actually, leave that how it is for now. The only thing I want to ensure is that the data set is linked. Click on data sources here. I don't know if we did this. Data sets. Because now they no longer use pixels, so I got these data sets now. Pixels are always changing shit. And let's just make sure, click on connected assets. I want to make sure I also have access to this. So when I'm helping with the ads, I got you. Brian, just press assign assets. Click on the account that we're using. That one, press add. Okay. And then that's the account we're using. Then the page, I think we're all good with that. Can you make sure I have access to it as well for the people?
Yeah, you're not on here.
Yeah, can you press assign people? Click on me, manage. Sign. Let's double check all of them really quick so we know we're not missing anything. Like on Instagram. All
Yeah,
right, we're
you're
good
there.
there. I have access to everything. Perfect. Press add account.
You're there.
Cool. I am here, but you're not. Just add yourself just in case. For my account. It makes no sense. Like, how does it not add you to your own ad account?
Yeah.
But whatever. You know what I mean? Like, it's dumb, but whatever. Press on
Yeah.
pages over here.
Pages.
This is
Gotcha.
me. Yes, please. Can you assign me onto it? Oh no, this is our one. Is this the one we're using? I think we're using this one, right?
Yeah, you're already on
Okay,
there.
so we're good there. Let's just make sure for the last thing, scroll to the very bottom. I want to make sure your business profile is properly with all that, with the address, the email verified. So business settings over here. All right, that's fine. Scroll down a little bit. We did the email already, so we'll make sure that's good. Domain,
This is just the email attached to here. It's not the business email.
that's fine. That's no
Yeah,
problem.
yeah.
They just need an email that's verified so that they can contact you just in case they need to contact you or shoot you
Gotcha.
updates, whatever.
Cool.
But I think you're pretty much set up right now. That was pretty much it. Let's do this. I think the next steps for us, let me pause the recording. We can talk some secret stuff.